welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. We are talking about the Queen. It's been several months since award-winning actress Brenda Ngxoli joined the cast of the Queen, but her fans are not happy with her current role as Nomatikisa. When she took this role, most people were convinced and excited, even assuming her combination with Petronella would be amazing. Nobody expected such a disappointment. Brenda is known for her role as Vuyokazi on Home Affairs, where she was even nominated for an Emmy Award. She's been on Top Sisla, Rockville, Itemba, The River, and many more shows where audience couldn't get enough of her. Fans are irritated by her boring storyline and her English accent. Social media is convinced Brenda is not comfortable with her character. Here are some tweets regarding her current role. I don't see Brenda Ngxoli here. Brenda Ngxoli's acting on that show is a waste of her talent. Brenda Ngxoli's character on The Queen is horrible. Hashtag The Queen Mzansi. They say change is good, guys. Maybe it's the beginning of the new Brenda and it's a step forward on her acting career. I don't know how you feel, but please comment below and share your opinion. In that note, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.